Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me, well, one of my favorite cars from normal series Tomica. So yes, we do have today the Nissan Elgrand number 88. So I love the Elgrands. I don't know why. They just seem really appealing to me. Not all the variations and stuff. I got the Highway Patrol version and the older models, and yep, they all look really good to me. No idea why, but just saying, this has a dual sunroof. So yeah, pretty cool. So top of the box, nothing really, just 88. And the back made in 2013, right there, and first produced 2011, or something like that. Never accurate, because Tomica still hasn't made a base for 2018. And the first half of, well, not the first quarter of this year, like this number here and this number here, is at 2017. So yeah, not exactly accurate. So anyway, let's get into the car. First up, you notice 5 studded chrome wheels, and turning to the front, we have beautiful silver front light tampos and more tampos for the Nissan logo and the front grille. For the front bumper, just plain black with no tampos or details for the headlights. And the fog lights, and yeah, a little space for the number plate. So the rest of the bumper down here is pretty plain, so let's move up to the roof of the car. As you can see, what I was talking about earlier, this has dual sunroofs, which, yep, really cool, because transparent sunroofs on Tomica, oh man, that's gotta be 10 out of 10 straight away, right? Because, how often does Tomica make transparent sunroofs? So, yeah, I really love how you can get down and see into the car right there. Very neat indeed. So anyway, for the side, you can see, like, your door track right here. So this is where you would open your door and it will slide along. Your petrol cap. So, I guess if you open this door, you can't pump your petrol because the door would block your petrol cap. So, yeah, to pump petrol, you have to close this door. Logically. So anyway, this car isn't exactly black. It's in a dark brown shade. Like shiny brown shade. Kind of thought it was black from the box. Kind of brown. So yeah, I guess it's brown. So anyway, there is a little side step right here, not clearly shown on the diecast. And yes, door handles over here. It's really disappointing. The car is still like 10 out of 10 to me, but it's kind of disappointing I didn't make the sliding door, because I really love the Tomica sliding doors. So anyway, for this side, basically the same without the petrol cap. And yeah, just to take note, the red light tampo for the rear lights, stretches all the way down to the side of the car. So again, here is the track for the door, and yeah, windows all the way across. So for the back, we have a blacked out back windscreen, Nissan logo here. They actually used the black and silver for the Nissan logo, so I guess extra work for Tomica. And yes, our red light tampo. So any more tampos here for the, whatever you call this thing above the number plate, where you can see the space left right here. And yeah, the rest of the boot, oh, there's like little reverse lights here, but again, no tampos. So yeah, the rest of the car is pretty plain with no really significant details. It's just the front that's really detailed, and the front and back that's pretty detailed. And my favorite part, of course, is the roof. So yeah, still these thingies at the back. Can't find the name for them, so just gonna call them thingies. You should know what they are by now. But anyway, for the base, as you can see, 2010, 1:64 scale, number 88, Nissan Elgrand, made in Vietnam. So you have a great suspension for this car. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe. Live stream tomorrow, guys.